Good evening. First of all, I would like to wish you a warm evening, especially the parents of 9th and 10th class students. You know that because of this COVID-19, there is a drastic change in the education pattern. So, based on that, SCERT has given some amendments basically on the syllabus. As a founder of Sanatsar Times, what I would like to say is you have to concentrate on your child's future. Basically, as a math teacher, I would like to suggest you that keep on be in touch with your words, so that in the coming future examinations, most probably exams could be in the month of April and May 2021. So students may not lose a year. It may not be a 0 year as far as my knowledge is concerned. This is my prediction. So based on that, especially 9th and 10th class students, as such I stated you, SCERT has made drastic changes in the syllabus. It doesn't mean that your words are not going to lose the concepts, but some of the parts of the syllabus have been made it into the project work, like they are not going to test in examinations. Whatever the type of examination it could be FAS or SS. So there are some eliminations from the syllabus which may not be given in the exam, but in turn they will be taught to your child at school. So what I would like to take this as an opportunity, and I want to share the deletions of syllabus, especially mathematics from 9th and 10th class. So whenever you feel free, you try to get the video content and try to inform to your word that these are the eliminations going on. So straight away, I don't want to waste your time. Let me speak up, starting with 10th class deletions. What I would like to say is the deletions. So no need to worry of those areas. And later on, I will tell you some guidelines depending upon your students or your child's position, the standards and stature of your student. You are the best adjudicator as far as my knowledge is concerned. So coming to 10th class, first and second chapters, there are no deletions. So complete first and second chapters are to be prepared. Coming to third chapter, polynomials, when it comes to exercise 3.4, so that is only for project work. It doesn't mean you have to focus more on that. So 3.4 exercise will not come in the assessment part. Okay. So that is about third chapter. Coming to fourth chapter, a pair of linear equations in two variables. Exercise 4.3 is completely eliminated. So that may not be given that importance. It doesn't mean you should not prepare for that, but anyway, in the assessment part, exercise 4.3 will not be given. Questions from that will not be coming to the students. And when it comes to quadratic equations, fifth chapter, concentrate that. Exercise 5.1, question 2 is eliminated. Completely question 2 is eliminated. And exercise 5.2, question number 5 to 10 are completely eliminated. I repeat, question number 5 to 10 from exercise 5.2 has been eliminated. And also from exercise 5.3, question number 4 through question number 13 are also not there for their annual examinations or whatever the type of examination they are going to take. It could be FA or SA, whatever the type of examinations. They are not going to get questions basically on this one. And coming to sixth chapter, that is progressions. In progressions, exercise 6.3, when it comes to exercise 6.3, question number 10 to 14 are eliminated. So basically I am focusing on those which are eliminated from the syllabus, which are not required for assessment examinations. Okay. And exercise 6.4 and 6.5 completely are excluded from the written examination syllabus. So these are the chapter exercises from the sixth chapter progressions. So now exercise 6.4 and exercise 6.5 are totally eliminated. So that is about progressions. And coming to coordinate geometry, 7th chapter, exercise 6.3 is only for project, so no need to prepare for the written examinations. 8th chapter, similar triangles, exercise 8.3 completely for project, so no need to worry about your written examinations. Then exercise 8.2, question number 11 and 13 are eliminated. 9th chapter, tangents and secants, exercise 9.3, question number 1, 2 and 8 are eliminated. Mensuration, exercise 10.4 completely eliminated. 11th chapter, trigonometry, exercise 11.3 completely eliminated. So that is about trigonometry. And coming to 12th chapter, applications of trigonometry, exercise 12.2, question number 1, 2, 5, 7, 8, 9 and 10 are eliminated. And coming to 13th chapter, probability, no eliminations. So we have to deal with all the contents of that particular chapter, probability. 14th chapter, when it comes to the mean calculation, step deviation method is not there, it is excluded. And exercise 14.4, question number 3 is eliminated. So that's all for your 10th class deletions. So this is as far as my knowledge is concerned. So there may be additions or deletions subject to the state government. So this information which I am distributing with you is to my level best. Thank you. So I, as a founder of Sanat Sir Times YouTube channel, I would like to share my knowledge. Whatever I possess with me, I am going to impart to your child. We are going to update our content in YouTube channel, basically focusing on the content part, and also the concepts whichever are required to your child for their higher classes are included. So make sure you ask your child to look into those my channel, Sanat Sir Times. And if at all you are interested, if at all you are believing that you got something from that, you kindly subscribe. My channel is Sanat Sir Times. Thank you.